Enter the lion habitat at the zoo. Attempt boxing with a kangaroo. Steal a polar bear's carcass of a seal. Be so careless as to touch an electric eel. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Put a dart frog within your maw. Tap a crocodile's open jaw. Attract Komodo dragons, for you'll get bit. Jump into the center of a scorpion pit. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Observe a beaver from the trees. Get covered in a black rat's fleas. Stick your tongue out at a coral snake. Hang around with loons in a giant lake. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Hug a squid at the ocean floor. Get entangled in a Portuguese man-o-war. Attend the mating season of the bighorn sheep. Disturb a tiger in its sleep. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Forget to wear a protective glove while handling an eagle. Leave a steakhouse and cross paths with an angry beagle. Flail all about in shark-infested waters. Enter malaria mosquito habitat without caution. Get in between a matriarch elephant and her calf. They may not rhyme, but they're quite possibly the dumbest ways to die. The dumbest ways to die. The dumbest ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Be safe around animals. A message from the WAZA.